Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I wanted to do a more glam Valentine's Day look. I know that it is pretty pink, but I love how it turned out, and if y'all want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. For foundation, I'm using the Tarte Concealer, which is my favorite foundation. I love it because it feels so lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on my skin, and it is a buildable coverage. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector because I have pretty dark circles. I have used a lot of correctors in the past, but this is by far my favorite and what works the best for me. If you have a lot of darkness underneath your eyes, I would recommend trying a color corrector because what it does is corrects and counteracts the darkness, where concealer just covers it up. You do still want to use a concealer because it does have a peachy tone to it, and that way it will give you the coverage and just even everything out. I am using Shape Tape, which is my all-time favorite concealer. This combo is my holy grail. So really quick, I wanted to use the new Shape Tape Glow Wand. That way y'all can see how I use it and my thoughts on it. I absolutely love it. So it is a liquid highlighter and you can do so many different things. And one of the reasons I love it so much is it just gives you a really pretty glow. So if you want a highlighter without glitter, this is perfect. It's good on all ages, but I also love it on more mature skin as well. So what I do is there's quite a bit that comes out on the wand. So I do take a little off, but I still put quite a bit on because y'all should know by now I love a glow. And what I do is I place it kind of start in the middle of my eye. So I do put a little underneath my eye and then I just go on my cheekbone. Do the same on this side, and as you can see, I put quite a bit still, and then I put some down the center of my nose. And it does come with a sponge on the other side, so if you want, you can take it out and use this. It is the perfect size, but I already use a sponge for my foundation and concealer and it's already damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use that, and I just tap it in like I would everything else, and look how pretty that is. I can take some on my chin. Is that not so pretty? I mean, look at that. And a lot of times, if I am not wearing foundation, if I just do like concealer, brows, mascara, I still use this because it makes my skin just look so dewy and pretty. I am going to be living in this stuff year round, but especially this summer. For contouring, I'm going in with a powder bronzer that is in the Tarte Pro Glow palette by Tarte. Since this is a Valentine look, I wanted to stick with the pink theme for my blush as well, so I'm going in with the MAC blush in the shade Sweet Sentiment. I went ahead and added some black eyeliner to my lower waterline. Now I'm going to do my brows. I've been using a pencil lately, and for today's look, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil. I'm using this palette for today's look. It is the Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette, and since there are no eyeshadow names, I'm going to show y'all a picture and circle the shades I'm using. I'm starting off with these two and placing it right above my crease and just blending up a little bit. And after I get it as dark as I want, I always take a clean fluffy brush and go over the edges just to make sure there are no harsh lines. This is where you can tone down the pink a little bit if this look is too bright for you. You can actually just skip this step, but I'm taking this next shade and placing it right in my crease. So you kind of have to be careful whenever you use a pink eyeshadow on your lower lash line. So I decided to go with one that has a little bit more maroon, and I'm just going to buff this all the way across. For my lid, I'm starting off with the shade on the left, just placing it all over as my base, and then I'm going to take the glitter eyeshadow and just press it in right on top. To finish up the eyes, I'm using my favorite mascara, which is Man Eater by Tarte, and if you wanted to glam up the look even more, you could add some false lashes, but I decided not to this time. And then I didn't film putting on lipstick, but to complete the look, I added 2 different MAC ones in the shades Velvet Teddy and Creme de Nude. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If this look was a little too glam and too pink for y'all, I do plan on doing more Valentine's Day looks, so I'll play around with different colors and do a little less for the next one. But be sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I post a new one every week. But if you liked this look, please give this video a thumbs up. And I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.